Math tricks, a question from simplifications. For this question, answer is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Are you thinking how it is possible? Let's check whether it is correct or wrong. Let's take an LCM. Root 5 minus root 3 into root 5 plus root 3. Root 5 minus root 3, 1 is root 5 minus root 3, 1 into root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 plus root 3 is root 5 plus root 3 whole square plus root 5 plus root 3, 1 is root 5 plus root 3, 1 into root 5 minus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3 is root 5 minus root 3 whole square. Let's simplify. A plus b, root a plus root b whole square is root a square, root b square plus 2 into root a root b. So in the same way, let's apply the formula. Root 5 whole square plus root 3 whole square plus 2 into root 5 into root 3 plus in the same way root a minus root b whole square is equal to root a square plus root b square minus 2 into root a into root b. Root 5 whole square plus root 3 whole square minus 2 into root 5 into root 3 divided by, this is in the form of root a minus root b into root a plus root b. Answer is root a square minus root b square, that is root 5 whole square minus root 3 whole square. This is equal to root 5 whole square is 5, root 3 whole square is 3 plus 2 root 5 and root 3 and minus 2 root 5 and root 3 gets cancelled. Root 5 whole square is 5, root 3 whole square is 3 divided by root 5 square is 5, root 3 square is 3, 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 8 divided by 5 minus 3 is 2, 8 plus 8 is 16 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 eights are, 8 is the answer. So this was correct. In the same way, solve this question and answer me in the comment box. Thank you.